Welcome back to my channel, Chinese for Absolute Beginners. I'm Tingting. Today we are learning 3 very important Chinese initials: Z, C, S. These sounds look simple, but they are often confusing for beginners. Don't worry, we will learn them step by step. Last time we learned zhi, chi, shi. The sounds made with your tongue moved back a little. Today we will learn the flat tongue sounds z, c, s, and at the end, a very clear comparison between z, c, s, and zhi, chi, shi. Let's begin. First, z, z. How to say this? Smile slightly, and the tongue touches the back of the upper teeth. It sounds like z in kids or reads. Z, z, z. You try with me. Z, z, z. Very good. Next one. C, c. How to say it? Same position with z, but this time add a strong puff of air. Like c in cats, but more clear. C, c, c. Let's try it together. C, c, c. Very good. Next one. S, s. How to say it? Tongue close to the upper teeth. Air flows smoothly. Very similar to English s, but the tongue is slightly more forward. S, s, s. Let's try together. S, s, s. Here is something important and easy to remember. They are all flat tongue sounds. Tongue stays forward, no curling, mouth stay relaxed. Now let's compare with z, c, s, and zhi, chi, shi. Z, tongue is flat. Zhi, tongue curls a little back. Repeat after me. Z, zhi, z, zhi. C, flat tongue and strong air. Chi, curled tongue and strong air. Repeat after me. C, chi, s, chi, s, flat tongue. Shi, curled tongue. Repeat after me. S, shi, s, shi. Now listen and guess which one you'll hear. Z, z, zhi, zhi, s, s, 吃 吃 吃 吃 吃 Great job today! Now you understand the difference between 滋 ci, si and 知 chi, shi. In the next lesson, we will learn the last group of initials. Make sure to watch the previous lesson if you haven't yet. Thank you for learning Chinese with me. I hope this video helps you feel more confident with Chinese pronunciation. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.